Hello everyone, today we're going to know how to multiply two matrices. So first thing first, we're going to look at the layout, how much rows and columns each matrix has. For the first matrix, there are 2 rows and 2 columns. For the second matrix, there are 2 rows as well as 2 columns. And now we look at the inner numbers, which is 2 and 2. Since they are a match, they are defined and we can multiply them together. And now we're going to look at the outer numbers, which is 2 rows and 2 columns, which is the layout of the new matrix. So our new matrix should look like somewhat like this: 2 rows and 2 columns and 4 elements. And now I'm going to know how to multiply them together. Now we're going to look at the top row, left column. We're going to take the top row of the first matrix and the left column of the second matrix. We're going to multiply 2 by 4, then add them by -1 times by -3. So 2 times by 4 plus -1 times by -3, which is going to be 8 plus 3, then the answer is going to be 11. So the answer is going to be 11 for our first element. And now we're going to look at the top row, right column. We're going to take the top row of the first matrix, and the right column for the second matrix, which is we're going to multiply 2 by 4, then add them by -1 times by -5. So 2 times 4 plus -1 times by -5. 2 times 4 equal 8. -1 times by -5 equal 5. Then the answer is gonna be 13. And now we're gonna look at the bottom row and the left column. We're gonna take the -6 and multiply by 4, then add them by 1 plus -1 plus 1 times by -3. So we're gonna be -6 times by 4 plus 1 times by -3. -6 times 4 equals -24 plus -3. The answer is gonna be -27. So the answer is -27. And now we're gonna take the bottom row and the right column. Again, we're gonna circle the bottom row of the first matrix and the right column of the second matrix, which we're gonna multiply -6 by 4, then add them by 1 times -5. -6 times by 4 plus 1 times by -5. Gonna be -24 plus -25, with the answer gonna be -29. Then this is how our new matrix should look like. This is the answer. Hope you understand how to multiply two matrices, and thank you.